Hello, my wonderful viewers, and welcome back to the Introvert's Guidebook, a channel dedicated to empowering shy and socially anxious individuals to thrive in everyday life. In today's video, we'll tackle a topic that may seem daunting for many but is essential for the success of a small business: networking. We understand that networking can be intimidating, but fear not, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to network effectively. Let's dive right in. Before you start networking, define your objectives. Determine what you want to achieve through networking, whether it's finding potential clients, partners, or collaborators. Setting clear goals will give your networking efforts purpose and direction. Know your target audience within the context of your small business. This could be other entrepreneurs, industry professionals, or potential customers. Focusing on connecting with the right people will make networking more meaningful and productive. Select networking events that align with your business goals and target audience. Look for local meetups, conferences, workshops, or online networking platforms that cater to your industry or interests. Before attending any networking event, be prepared. Craft a concise and engaging elevator pitch that describes your business, its unique selling points, and what you're looking to achieve. Practice your pitch to feel more confident when delivering it. When you arrive at the networking event, approach others with open body language and a warm smile. Initiating conversations may feel daunting, but remember, everyone is there to network and make connections. As you engage in conversations, practice active listening. Show genuine interest in what others are saying and ask open-ended questions to encourage meaningful discussions. Share your business story and experiences authentically. People connect with stories, and sharing yours can create a more personal connection with others. When you feel a connection with someone, exchange contact information. Be sure to have your business cards ready, or ask for their email or social media handles. After the networking event, follow up with the people you connected with. Send a personalized email or message, expressing your pleasure in meeting them and proposing further collaboration or a meetup. Networking is an ongoing process. Make networking a regular part of your business routine. Attend events regularly, participate in online forums, and join industry-related groups to expand your network continually. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to network effectively for your small business. Remember, networking is about building authentic relationships, so be yourself, be patient, and be open to new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from it. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep growing, connecting, and flourishing in your small business journey.